Peace, peace. It's your brother Tyrannel. Once again, I'm gonna do up a little chart drawing for the week. It's already Monday. I like usually do it on Sunday, but it's all good. Market started to move a little bit, so we'll just take a quick peek. We're gonna run down our 27 pair, see if we see something popping for the week. If so, we might be able to get in it or set something up. I normally trade the daily, personally, but I just do this just to give back to the people, give a little content out in case somebody wants to try to figure out how to get in something and not really have to keep checking it. I work. A lot of people will are part of my organization, a part of my group. They work as well, so we look for longer time frames to trade on. We basically swing traders. We either dealing with the daily, the weekly, sometimes, but primarily the daily. But we're gonna run through the weekly real quick. Again, this is my website. You can come here, scroll down if you want to link up with us, hit join now, and you can become a part of the community. And we sending out daily signals. Our daily trades is popping, man. They doing real well. That's on the daily chart. And then we teaching the numbers. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. And we also get into some health aspects, the qigong, the healthy diet. It's a lifestyle, just trying to do better all the way around. But aside from that, oh, if you want a free reading, just hit me up, Tyrain7 at Gmail, or just go to the website, send me a message. I got you. If you don't know what your purpose is, it's pretty sad, especially if you're an adult. So please hit me up. No shame. I won't charge you anything. So let's go to Hugo's Way. We're gonna knock this out real quick, and we're gonna just take a run through these. We're looking at the weekly, so we starting with AUD USD, and you can see this has already moved up a little something something for the week. It could jump up, but I don't think it's gonna move up too much. I don't think it's gonna pass this 50 moving average. So this is not something that I would even really be looking to get in or deal with. So I'm just running through these real quick, and if I see something, I'll take it over to Trading View, look at some price action, and make a decision based off of that. This is just one part of the process. I'm not just a indicator trader, okay? I actually use price action also, but this helps me to go through a bunch of pairs fairly quickly just to see if I see something sweet, a sweet spot. This right here looks like we're on an up. We do have a little bit of a wick down here. So it looks like it's already made its wick for the week. So the rest should be up. But this pair doesn't have a lot of volatility. So while I think we are going up, I don't know how much more it'll go up this week. Let's go. We're gonna go check this out, and I will screen share so you can see. I'm gonna go to GBP USD. We will take a quick pick just in case. See, so this is the daily. That was yesterday. If anything, we would have rather got in yesterday. At this point, even though it's the weekly, I definitely wouldn't feel comfortable getting in this because we had a major support and resistance zone right here. If it breaks this zone, then we could look to get in on a pullback. And we can use the rectangle tool and just draw this zone right here. Let's see. Here we go right here. And we can make that burgundy because that's going to be on the daily, on the weekly. So we'll check it next week, see if it breaks. But this is definitely something that I would have rather got in yesterday. That would have been a good trade on the daily. And Sunday's a little hard. The opens at 5. I had something to do yesterday, so I didn't get to do my daily analysis. But it's all good. So let's go back to Hugo's Way. Going back to Hugo's Way. Let's just look at some more pairs. It's right at the 50. I would have to wait for it to break. Now, this is a good one on a sale. It looks like we're about to sell, but This didn't turn red yet. I like for everything to be lined up, and it already done moved a nice amount. So let's look at this on the daily. Look at this on the daily. It's pulling back. It's been gone down for days. This was a trade we caught on the daily. We caught this here. So we wrote it down to here. We got out down here. I missed this one right here. So I caught that. Missed this. So this is definitely not something it's about to pull back. We don't know what that's gonna do. So let's just keep pushing. That's why the daily chart is really way, way better. But we run through these real quick, see if we see something sweet. Nothing over here. Let's just keep going. Let's hit up rest of these pair. Now this one is interesting because we got this almost looks like a pullback, but I will be checking that next week. See if it starts to drop. This is in consolidation. This is a buy, but you're at a 50 moving average, so I wouldn't get in this. It got to be the perfect. It got to be a perfect setup on a weekly for me to get in. Now this one here, we got a We got a up signal. It did go up for the week, but it did this in one day, so it could wick off and come back down. This is something you need to follow up on the weekly. I mean, on the daily chart. Um, Now this one just might be something. So if you notice, this is turning blue. This is breaking above, but it may have just broke that zone. Let's pull this up. CADCHF. So we're going to pull this up in trading view. I will share my screen. I've already drawn this up. And as you can see, this is a major support and resistance zone right here. Major. This is the weekly, and this is the weekly. So this was 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. This is almost a year. Oh, not a year. I'm sorry. This is like 4 months, 3, 4 months. Then it broke. This looks like a pullback. So, but this was here for so long. Let's look at this on a monthly. Yeah, you can see this was here for a couple of months. 1 month, 2 month, and it finally broke it. Now it's coming back to touch it. Pull back. This may be a drop. Let me go back to Hugo's way. And look at the monthly. It's still in a downtrend, but it's pulling back right now. So maybe keep an eye on it. Maybe tomorrow on the daily you might have something, but a lot of these big moves we didn't already miss. I don't like to get in after I miss the big move. I prefer to wait for it to come back. Not seeing much. Not seeing much. Not really. Yeah, a lot of these, again, on a weekly, I'm not really seeing much. If you check it every week, you might catch one every 2 months, a sweet spot, 2 to 3 months. That's how real it is. On the weekly is you're not gonna catch one every week. It's just a longer time frame. Yeah, none of these look good to me. It's not above this 50. So even if it hits it, now this one does look like it's going up for the week, but as you can see, the volatility is low. So I mean, I don't think it'll break above this. This is something you'd have to go down to the daily. regardless of any of these trades, you really got to go down to the daily for your entry. Or you can set a buy limit or a sell limit. Okay, so this we got a buy signal, but this is starting to turn. But we haven't crossed this moving average. We're still, so we'll go down to the daily list. Okay, we got this. Still not that good. I'll probably wait a couple more days. Another one. Nice weekly, but it didn't break this 50. NZDJPY. Let's check this out. NZDJPY. Share the screen with you. And as you can see, this is a monthly chart. This thing has been in consolidation for months. So this is something we're waiting to break out of this zone. This is a big zone, but nonetheless, it's still a zone. You can go from here to pretty much here. And so if we go down to the weekly, it's just playing around in this zone. So this is not something that I would even be entertaining right now until it breaks that zone. So the Forex market right now is looking, as far as the trends on the weekly, is looking a little slow. I'm not seeing much. I could have missed something, but this is gold. I do like the peek at gold. On the weekly, gold is on the rise because the dollar is falling, but you got to trade that on the daily. It's just too many pips. You can even go down to the 4-hour. S&P 400. We even look at that real quick on the 4-hour. This thing has been going straight up. And this is the 4-hour. So for this, I'm just gonna wait because we done been in an uptrend for so long. I'm gonna wait for the market to turn, and eventually it will. All right, so we didn't really have nothing this week. Again, it's just a quick scan. If you've seen something, hit me in the comment section. Let me know if I missed something or if you see something. Are you checking your charts during the week? I mean, it's a great way to start your week off Sunday evenings. Again, it's Monday evening, so I'm a little late to the punch. But even though, because it's for the week, after Monday, you can kind of see which direction the market is going. But ideally, you want to check it Sunday, but Monday is not too late to get in. So again, anybody want any information, hit me up. I'm doing a free numerology for my people. Anybody who needs it, just hit me up because I think it's important to get that insight. If you don't already know your purpose, the numbers definitely don't lie. So we're going to end it on that note. Peace and love.
How would you like to be a part of an online community that focuses on health, wealth, and knowledge of self? For less than $1 a day, you can learn how to live at optimal health through proper diet and Qigong exercise, one of the oldest martial arts systems in the world. You will learn how to make money on the largest financial market on the planet, Forex, and use your credit as leverage. Lastly, you will learn the world's oldest science, the science of numbers, aka numerology, taught by master numerologist and Forex investor, Tyraine L. The Busara Trust is perfect for anyone looking to improve their quality of life. We meet every Sunday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern on Zoom. Hope to see you soon.